Governance year number 1. E-tendering we started from panchayat to decision making levels. They are also year number 1. So like this there are so many areas. The minority scholarship also year number 1. What we give to them. So like this there are so many areas we give cycle, free cycle to every class 9 students. Even we give laptop, not laptop, it is just 10,000 rupees to every 12th class student to purchase a smartphone or a tab. Even from school children, we give school dress, the shoes, the dress, the meal, everything. So I think we have covered all the social sector. And it's a big reforms we have done in West Bengal. Even in the world, you cannot show me a particular place. That's what we are doing. For artists, we have given this insurance. For press media, we have given covered their insurance. Even COVID, whoever died, we gave 10 lakhs rupees and one employment also. So like this, who are the Bongo Vibhushan and Bongo Ratna, there are so many awards. For their treatment is free, we give honor to them, they take house from us. Wherever there are so many, Bengal University, where so many important people are there. We have all the academy, including all Chiki, the Sautari language also. We have 15-20 academy, tribal development, through industry, everywhere, cultural. We have the film festival every year, this year also we are doing. Mohit Bharji should have attended this Amitabh Bachchan Shahrukh every year. Even Sharmila Tegar also. Tanuja Di also sometimes. Kajal also. This time also I am inviting them. And so there are so many. There is no end. Even if somebody died, they are poor. We give 2,000 rupees for their cremation purpose. Or for their Samadhi purpose, burial, that also we give. Even a lady cannot marry, she is a poor, we give 25,000 rupees for that also. Even girl child we give full free education, but when they become 18 years old and they don't marry, they study, we give another 25,000 to their account. So like this, and other thing is, Bengal is cosmopolitan. All the people are staying from different parts of the country and the world. There is no differences, no division. We all are equal. Unity is our main strength. And that we want to do it in a manner. It is a peaceful state, lovable state, and BJP is trying so many things against us. Every day they are giving fake video and fake report. What they are going on in Bangladesh, that also they are giving in the name of Bengal. So this is their attitude. But I can tell you that we love the human touch and humanity. Humanism is our priority. So after that, I think if you have anything to interact, I will be happy to interact with you. Though you are very important than me, I am a less important person, and you all are very important persons. And I am not from these classical societies, means typical type of classical societies, that high standard societies. I belong to a grassroots, the poor people society. And it is the country. And this is the world. You can ask me any question, anything.
ये मैं आपको बता दूं कि मिनिस्टर जरूर हैं, लेकिन उसके अलावा ये पेंटर भी हैं और ये पोइटर भी हैं, तो ये आप नहीं कह सकती कि आप हमारी सोसाइटी के। दूसरा सवाल जो मेरे ध्यान में आया था, आपने बताया था कि बैरियर के लिए आप पेमेंट आपकी गवर्नमेंट करती है। पिछले दिनों एक मेजर बैरियर किया है आपने, तो उसका कुछ पेमेंट सरकार ने किया कि नहीं किया? इससे पहले कि हम क्वेश्चन आंसर शुरू करें, मैं चाहता हूं कि विद्या चौहान जी बुके पेश करें। एक्चुअली मुख्य तौर पे हैं यहाँ पर डॉक्टर एच.के. द्विवेदी साहब, अपने श्री बतिया बासु साहब, श्रीमती वंदना यादव जी और शांतु बासु साहब के लिए भी, लेकिन हम आपकी गाड़ी में रखवा देंगे वक्त बचाने के लिए।
स्टील सर नीचे बैठी।
तो अब हम शुरू करते हैं ये क्वेश्चन आंसर का सेशन। और मैं महेश भट्ट साहब, आज उनकी इंट्रोडक्शन तो उसे मैं खुद नहीं कहूँगा, बस कहूँगा क्या क्या कहना और क्या पूछना चाहते हैं।
Bhakta ji, you are the face of hope. When we felt that we were getting engulfed in darkness, जब हमको लगा कि बिल्कुल अंधेरा ने हमको घेर लिया है and there is no hope, you ignited hope in the darkness, so you are the face of hope for us. The story of India, as I told from your platform during the KIF festival, is too diverse, too vast to be reduced to just one narrative. It's a story of 1.4 billion people, and when you try to reduce it to one narrative, you not only falsify it, you mutilate it and do a lot of harm. The problem that we face today is that the story of India is getting lost. It's high time that forces like you hear the voices of those billions of people who believed, were born to the story of India, which is the story of a plural India, a diverse India, an India which has been always very tolerant, very human. And you tell us the story as we were told when we were born in this great country. Because as of now, it is being mutilated, and it's time that you take that story and tell it to us the way our ancestors told us. But Mamta ji, बहुत important बात ये है